Top dog.
Networking 101. Today, we will be demonstrating how to construct a straight cable. Right? We'll need a crimping tool, cutting tool, and connectors.
Or ends.
Or ends, as they're called. Well, I've already cut the wire, so now we just need to straighten them in order to put them into the ends. Okay, that's done. So we start putting them together. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Make sure they're nice and straight.
And even.
And even or even almost even. I'm in. Now, to make sure they're lined correctly in. Right? Okay. Now, we crimp. Turn it. Put it in here. Make sure it's in. Crimp. And voila. There we have it. Now we will test it to make sure it works.
As you can see, the other side has already been done for you.
Thank you. Yes, forgot to mention that. Now both sides have been done. Now we will test them.
Oh, that's true. So we like they're gonna see how
You have to turn it. All of them here. So in green, the cable is okay.
So there we have it. Our cable is okay. It's alive, people. It's alive. Plug them. Sorry. And there you have it. Straight cable made simple, easy, and cabling. Thank you for watching. These are my fellow group members, Adrian Ori, Margaret Hill, and the man behind the camera, Mr. Kamar Buchanan. Yeah, there he is. Handsome, isn't he? I know, right? Well, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and just increase the views. Watch it over and over and over.